Today we're going to check out the best app for writing music on iPhone and listening offline. This video is updated for the new year 2024 since I've made several videos about this before. So, in the description of this video, I'm going to leave a link because I can't keep updating this video all the time, but I will have a website linked in the description where I'll be adding all the apps that come out for downloading music offline. In that link, you'll already find 3 options, so head over there and you can check them out. In the future, if I add more or if there are new apps like this, or if you comment about any that you know, I'll also bring them and add them to that link so you won't have to wait every time I upload a new video. Just visit that page and you'll find the list of all those apps. So I'm leaving that for you. Now, in this video, we're going to look at this app called Audiomack. You can search for it directly in the App Store if you don't want to go to the link in the video description. Just make sure to never visit pages that ask you to download stuff or anything like that. The link archive will just let you download each app and redirect you automatically to the App Store, so it won't download anything weird or anything like that. Once you're here, just click to open the app, and I'll show you from scratch how it would appear to you. So here it says, "Welcome to Audiomack. Create a free account to download songs offline, listen to curated playlists, and build a library of your favorite music." It shows us the best songs in your area, and we can already see some artists and songs. Once we're here, we need to create an account, so we click where it says create a free account. Here it tells us we can create it with Google, X, Twitter, Facebook, or with an Apple account. I recommend always creating it with Google because if you want to log in from a non-Apple device, logging in with Apple directly won't let you do that. So in this case, I'm going to click on the Google app, and it says Audiomack iPhone wants to use google.com to sign in. Once you click sign in, it will start loading, and it asks, what is your age? Here, it's important to put an age that's older because if not, some songs won't be available for you to listen to. So, for example, if you put 13 here, you'll obviously be able to listen to a lot of songs, but some will be restricted. In this case, let's put an age here, and now it asks, what is your gender? In this case, male, female, non-binary, or I prefer not to answer. In this case, we're going to choose male, click next, and here, what genders do you like? Don't just pick anyone at random here. Why? Because based on this, the app is going to start recommending music to you. So if you pick randomly, you might not like the app later, because it will show you a bunch of songs from genres you don't enjoy. You can choose, for example, Latin, R&B, instrumental, Afrobeats, whatever you want, and then just click finish. It will start loading and it says the following: 8 million songs, get access to the complete Audiomack music catalog. It mentions that our app is free, but subscribers get exclusive features only available in premium. So as you can see, you don't have to pay. You don't have to close the app just because it asked you to pay. Don't worry, we can skip that. Just keep in mind that if we don't pay for premium, we'll have ads in the app. So while using it, we'll have to watch those ads. The premium version gives us unlimited downloads, while through our device, we're obviously limited. And then there's high-fidelity streaming. In this case, when we listen to downloaded songs, we won't have that option, but it's still a really good choice for downloading music without needing the internet and completely free. So let's click the X at the top right, and all the songs we want will appear. At the top, it will show us the genres we selected earlier so we can access music based on that. Now, how do we download the music? It's really simple. We just need to go into any song we want. I'm going to pause it here for copyright reasons, and here we see the first option to like it, the second to add it to a playlist, the third is a mode to change the playback speed, distort it, and add some effects to our songs, and finally, we have the download option. So if we click here to download, it says download started. Now you can play this download without data in the app in the offline section of my library. We're going to go to the offline music, and it should show up here. Now, I have to make an announcement because a lot of people think this. But there are no official apps in the App Store that won't carry some kind of virus or something that downloads music directly to our device. I mean, you won't find files like MP3 or WAV just sitting there. You can do that through the browser with things like YouTube Mate, which is for downloading audio directly from YouTube and stuff like that, but I don't really recommend it. That's more for people who are used to or come from Android. On iPhone, you can't do that directly. What happens is that the music we download will be directly linked to the app, in this case, Audiomack. What does that mean? For example, if I download an MP3 player on my phone tomorrow, why won't these songs appear? Download songs for offline listening with this app. Songs are stored in the app, not on your device, saving space. To download, tap the three dots by a song. Like songs are easy to find in your library. Listen without internet. Just go to My Library and Downloads. Try this app for offline music without extra costs. Leave a horse emoji if you watch till the end. See you next time. Well, what happens is that it gets stored within the app itself. So tomorrow, if you have a lot of downloaded songs, it might seem like this app takes up a lot of space, but it's not that the app itself is heavy. It's just that the number of songs you've downloaded takes up all that space. Now, let's do a test. Let's download more songs here. We'll just hit download. That's another option you have. If you don't want to go directly to the song, you can click the three dots on the right, and all these options will pop up. You click here to download, or what you can do is, for example, let's mark this one here, and we'll give it a like. So what happens? So when we hit like, if we go to where it says My Library and then to likes, we'll have all the songs, and we can download them directly one by one. And that's it. Now, these songs have been downloaded. How do I know they downloaded? Because this icon shows up here. Now what we're going to do is come here and turn off the internet, both Wi-Fi and data. As you can see, I just completely turned off the Wi-Fi for recording purposes. The icon still shows up, but don't worry, there's no internet. In fact, I'll show you. I'm just going to search for Audiomack in my browser, and as you can see, it doesn't show up anywhere. I have no internet access. So now, what we're going to do is go directly to the app, which is this one we have here. But first, let's close the recent app so you can see there's no trick. We close it, reopen it, and it restarts. Obviously, no songs will load here. We click OK, understood if we want to enable notifications. In my case, I don't want to, and it says you're offline, connect to the internet to browse. In this case, we don't want to browse because we have no internet. And as you can see, the song we downloaded earlier is here. To access all the songs, we just go to the bottom right where it says My Library, and here we go to Downloads, and we'll have these three songs. So I'm going to play a little snippet for you to hear. Let's play it. There you go. You can hear a little snippet just so YouTube doesn't shut down this video. Now let's play the second one. You could hear that too, and now let's play the last one, this one from Themes. And as you heard, there it is, this music right here. So now we have these songs downloaded, and as you can see, I have no internet. I'm just swiping here. It only shows the icon activated because I'm recording, and the recording app does this. But in my case, I have no Wi-Fi or data enabled. In fact, we can go back to the browser so you can see that if I try to load it, I haven't changed anything, and it's still the same. So there you go. You can go and try this app, friends, so you can download your music without having to pay for any other app or anything like that. So with that said, see you next time. If you made it this far in the video, leave a horse emoji in the comments so I know who made it to the end. See you next time, bye bye.